Corbiculafluminea and Potamacorbula amurensis are two invasive non-native clam species that are found throughout the San Francisco Bay Delta. Since the introduction of these species, they have rapidly become major consumers of phytoplankton, thus reducing primary productivity and affecting higher trophic levels. Although these clams are found throughout Sassoon Marsh, they are surprisingly scarce in the smaller sloughs. Our work in part sought to address this issue, where our primary questions were: do clams grow more in small versus large sloughs? What factors are influencing their growth? And is predation a significant factor of clam survival? In 2018, we selected 4 sites, 2 large and 2 small sloughs. Then in 2019, we added 4 more sites, 2 large and 2 small. We placed experimental trays with clams and lead core ropes with clams attached into each of our study sites. Half of the trays were covered in Vexar to exclude predators. Ropes were used to help determine growth rates and predation. After several months, the ropes and trays were collected and the clams were measured. The arrow indicates the date of DWR's 2018 gate manipulation, showing a noticeable decrease in salinity at our 4 sites. After the gate manipulation, salinity and dissolved oxygen were most responsible for the differences between our sites. The smaller sloughs shown in blue had overall greater clam growth than the larger sloughs shown in red. This figure demonstrates the lack of predation at our sites. Almost all of our initial sets of ropes had 100% survival. Chlorophyll levels in the smaller sloughs, depicted in yellow, show an overall trend of greater biomass compared to the larger sloughs shown in green. There was a weak but positive correlation of 0.14 between clam growth and chlorophyll levels at our 8 sites. So what does it all mean? The lack of clams in the smaller sloughs did not seem to be a function of water column failures, predation, or food abundance. Our findings suggest that restoring smaller sloughs may help limit the expansion of Potamacorbula amurensis and Corbiculafluminea. These results will help inform water management decisions in regard to invasive clams in our delta. Thanks!